online marketers, affiliate marketers, network marketers, coaches, brick and mortar folks who are selling things online, work at home folks. Are you asking the question, what does it take to be successful as a digital marketer? And we're all digital marketers if we're working online. So, I mean, that's a big question. And for a lot of us, and you may hear yourself thinking that, yeah, that's me, frustrated and overwhelmed and feeling like you're financially stretched and things just aren't working out the way you want. And even if you're doing fine, if things are not moving the way you had hoped they would do. Well, that's just very typical for most digital marketers. But what I want to do today is talk to people who are brand new, who are wannabes, and people who've been around for a while, people who are wondering, how do I get to that next level? How do I get started? Well, let me just tell you, we can all thrive in 2025, even with all the stuff that's going on, because I have something that's really going to help you out. I'm Dr. Hale Pringle, and I have a solution that I want to share with you. And I'm just really excited with you, which is why I'm here. Even though I have glaucoma and my eyes are difficult to see at the screen to do this, it's awesome. So let's dive into it. Now, if you've been looking for the silver bullet for a while, you've come to the conclusion, like all of us do, there is no silver bullet. It's not going to be that one more training. You've got to get out there and actually do the work. As one of the mentors says, Goya, get off your anatomy, whatever. Try not to be nasty here online. So, let me show you what I've found over the years that I think we need to be successful. And it's not just one silver bullet. I mean, the first thing we need is mindset. And this is a whole lot more than say your affirmations 100 times a day. Tell yourself you're a millionaire where the little voice is saying, no, I'm not. There are ways that you can get your mind to work with you. And there's some training in the program I'm going to talk about that goes in depth, because that's one of the most critical first steps, is to get your mindset in sync with growing your business. You have to have methods. Now, I said with an S on the end to make money. You need training from one end to the other, not just a piece of it. And the program that I'm talking about, we have Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, email marketing. The kinds of things that you're interested in, we can help you do, because that's part of it. We need multiple methods, things that are going to work for you. Some people can't stand to be on a camera, and other people just love it. So those are different people. We have different solutions for them. We need a mastermind group. You need people that you can talk to who have a similar mindset, who are interested in the same things, who want to bounce things off each other and critique each other and work together. And if you've been around for a while, a lot of the folks you live with don't want to talk to you about it anymore, if they ever did, because it's not their thing. You need something that puts you first. You need to brand yourself, but you also need to do things you're comfortable with, things that you're ethically all right with. You need to find your style and work with that. So just like on the airplanes, we say if the little buttercups fall down, you should put your own mask on before you help the children. You need to help yourself before you try helping other people. Get in the right place, get the tools, the knowledge, everything in complete sync, so that you can be the most help you can be to others. And we're all in this program wanting to give to others. You need multiple streams of income. It's just every day we hear programs that have closed the doors, or multi-level programs who are now an affiliate program, and people who were making really good money are suddenly making nothing or near nothing. Uh, it's just a fact of life. If you put all your eggs in one basket these days, there's a good chance that the basket's going to break. And folks who've been around for a long time, I know I've been at this for 40 years. I'm not the most successful person around, but I believe in residual income, and I believe in what I'm doing, and believe that I can help you, and that my mentor can help you, and the program I'm talking about can help you. But we all need these. But we've been in situations, those of us who've been around, where the company just went away. It's gone. The partners had a falling out, or the main product, for whatever reason. Either they separated, or somebody at the government said that there's a problem with it. Whatever. You got to have multiple streams of income. And you need something that you can afford. Now, there's not many programs that are going to tell you you can join and have a monthly fee that gives you access to a good bit of the program that's one digit. Now, we get 6 figures. Well, how about getting in for something that's one figure? Yeah, it's $9.95, $9.97, but it's less than $10. $10 would be 2, so you can get in for 1. Now, that's really affordable. You can quit at any time. There's not a problem. There's no long-term contracts. It's certainly worth taking a look at and putting $10 on the table to see if this is going to be really the answer. The amount of stuff you get for $10 is just absolutely incredible. Now, there is one more M that I haven't mentioned yet. Implied it, but you need a mentor. You need somebody who's dedicated to our success. I've had some mentors who were dedicated to their success. Let's get you money. Let's get your money into my pocket. Well, our mentor, she makes money, but she only makes money when we make money. And she's really fanatical about that. And I don't like that, because I want her to make money. She has to. If she's not making money, there's no reason for her to do it. And programs that are totally free, eventually they curl up and die when the person who was donating all the time and energy finally gets tired of doing it. So really it becomes very obvious very quickly that the motivation is to help us succeed. Now, I want to cycle back to that making money bullet point that I had a little early. We need something. We need to be working with a program where the ways we're selling, recruiting, whatever, are free or almost free. We don't want to get into the paid. You can put tens of thousands of dollars into Facebook's coffers or Google's coffers or whatever. You don't want to get down that, unless you've got a lot of money and experience, and that's your thing. But this program focuses on programs that you can do for free or almost free. You want rejection-free methods. And that's really pretty important. I mean, there are programs where you pick up that 800-pound phone and you call 30 people a day, you talk to 20 people a day. And whatever it is, there are other things that where you get rejection, and we all kind of shy away from rejection. So we're kind of living a life where we're on the edge, or we're just blocking it off, and that's not fun. So we need programs that are rejection-free, and one of the things our mentor is really adamant about is rejection-free recruiting and rejection-free selling. And that's one of her big courses that she has offered as part of this program. And we need a multiplier. We need automation. We need things that take you as a single person and do more than what a single person can normally do. I mean, you can't be talking one-on-one to hundreds of folks. You need something like email where you can talk to lots of people, and one message goes out to lots of people. So you need that multiplier, that automation, and you need to be taught what works. And of course, these days, you need to be using AI. It's here. It's not going away. You're not talking about having it do all the work for you, but it can certainly give you a lot of ideas and give you like emails that are pretty good, and you clean them up and make them near work for you. Um, it just there's a lot of ways AI can be very useful to you if you're a marketer. You need to learn how to do that. And here's the mentor. It's Gloria McDonald. She is a friend of mine, and she is doing an awesome job. I know I had lifetime trading access to like 3 or 4 different companies when I ran into Gloria. And within a couple of weeks, I haven't been back to any of those once since. So this is a good place for me. I think it'll be a good place for you. So she has created the Digital Marketer Success Network. And that's what I've been talking about. She has created this really incredible program. And she is a network marketer, an affiliate marketer, and a coach. She is always a digital marketer, regardless of what she's selling or doing. She's online and working from home. She's been a multiple 7-figure earner and is the top earner in several different companies. And she has created this, and it's something that I'd love to share. And I think it'd be really good for you to take a look at, or I wouldn't be doing this. So the Digital Marketers Success Network, all kinds of stuff in there. It is a membership site. It is a community of people. It's a training site. And I haven't mentioned yet, but it is an affiliate program. You can make some money. Now, you're not going to make a living off of putting people, suggesting people take a look at this. But while you're learning the ropes, you can also use the program. And she gives you a ton of things, emails, graphics, free training that you can send people to where they can see just exactly the kind of value that they get, because she over delivers all the time. So it's a great affiliate program, part of the deal. So it's designed to help you learn and make some money while you're doing it. I suggest, obviously, that you take a look. This is on YouTube, so the link will be down below. Or you can type into the URL, halepringle.com/DMSN. That's Digital Marketer Success Network. And you can take a look, take a try. It's certainly worth $10 to take a look at it. And I strongly recommend that you do that. So you folks have a great day. Oh, Hale, yes.